Well, this part of the video is testing out the corkscrew on the SAK Spartan knife I just got in. It's kind of a big brother to the waiter, the SAK waiter I got. And I have a video showing a little bit of the catastrophe that happened with that slimly framed model. This is a little bigger, but not much. We'll see how it turns out. See if you catch me on this video. Okay, so here's the mixed red wine. The corkscrew out. Actually, I don't need the corkscrew yet. I need the knife. The small blade. Get the small blade, the pen knife, and cut out the wrapping around the knife. That piece there. Let's see how this comes around. Got this bottle corkscrew ready to go. Let's see if I can get that corkscrew out. Get it back over there. We'll set it back over here. And if we get that going, me in the picture. And then I was watching a couple of the videos from Victorinox on actually the techniques for opening the unscrewing wine corks. And one of them was since you've got this kind of a rocking distance on either side where you can come down on the lip of the wine bottle, give it a lift up, and you can see how it comes up a couple of millimeters from the lip of the bottle. And that's important when you're doing that rocking method back and forth. Back in and kick it up this way and then kick one up that way. I think it's possible that I actually put too much emphasis on getting that corkscrew right down to the... Oh yeah, that's the method. You get your fist under there and it gives you that leverage to get that corkscrew out of there, that cork out of there. So there we got the cork removed without any damage to the knife or well, I don't think there's any damage to the knife. We'll take a look at that. Let's see how that comes out, if I did any denting to the framer at all. Get the corkscrew out, released, and then look at the knife. Well, there is you can see it. It's soft metal. The frame rails on that Spartan are soft metal. You can see where the glass actually made contact with the frame in a couple of places there. Little indentations. So you can overdo it. You can come down on that, I guess the glass of the lip, and it leaves an indent in that soft metal. So that's something to know about the Victorinox, Spartan, and the waiter for sure. The metal on that frames on this knife is really soft. Okay, got the wine bottle open. Hooray for the Victorinox Spartan. My Swiss Army knife Victorinox collection so far. I have a waiter, a single channel, and a Spartan twin channel. I think this is like a 14 function Swiss Army knife. This is a 4-function or 5-function Swiss Army knife. And this was like a, I don't know, 18, 19 function climber model. So the climber, the Spartan, and the waiter. These are 2 I use for everyday carry. This one is not, I think it's too cumbersome for me for an everyday carry. It's a fat knife. Adds a lot of weight to the pouch. You get to see them. The climber has just pen knife, the big blade. That half stop on the bottle opener is always cool. They don't have it with the can opener. And I think this has scissors. Well, that's pinching on it. Yeah, scissors. Watch, those blades are sharp. You could really cut yourself big time with this. And the corkscrew. All a corkscrew. I don't know what this other thing is. Key ring, of course. Toothpick. Tweezers. There's something else down in there. I just can't retract. I think this is one of those hooks. Anyway, that's the climber. The Spartan has the pen knife and the big blade. Both, I mean, these are just really sharp. The half stop bottle opener, can opener. Corkscrew, and this one has the awl. That's a Spartan. This goes in the everyday carry pouch. It's a nice addition. The waiter has the corkscrew and the bent frame from, that's just opening 3 wine bottles. That frame rail is really soft metal. A little on the flimsy side, if you ask me. Again, it has the tweezers and a toothpick. Half stop, full bottle opener, and a single main blade. That's the waiter model. And it also goes to everyday carry function. This I maybe would take on camping trips or something. Somewhere I could maybe just keep it in the glove box of the car. The Swiss Army knives are a great addition to any everyday carry or just general knife collection. Hey, if you like my channel, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.